Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll discuss all the methods of how financial assets are calculated and how do they work and why are they important for investors to see. So let's discuss them. So the first method is the amortized cost. So amortized cost just works like depreciation. The asset comes in, the cash goes down. Balancing A is equals to L plus C. Then let's say I have amortizing it at 10% rate. So the machinery value goes down by 10% and the expense is passed through the P&L, decreasing my equity indirectly. So that balances my A is equals to L plus C in amortized cost. In FVTPL, that is fair value through profit and loss, what happens is I buy an asset, financial asset, cash goes down, the value of the asset goes up. Now, uh, if let's say the value of the asset goes down, so it's a loss. So the value of the asset in the balance sheet, asset goes down and the expense is passed in the P&L. That's why it is fair value through P&L, and that decreases my equity, balancing A is equals to L plus C. Now the last method is fair value through OCI. In OCI, what happens is whenever there is an increase and decrease in my financial assets, the adjustment is directly into the equity. There is no effect on P&L. Rest everything remains the same in entry. So why do we need to see if the financial assets are getting measured on FVOCI or FVTPL or amortized cost? So let's say if asset is getting measured on FVOCI. Now in FVOCI, if there is a huge loss, let's say, so that would decrease my equity, but the net income remains the same, boosting my ROE. So that's a mirage that is created through FVOCI. That's why it is not on the businesses that what line items should be measured in FVTPL or FVOCI. Because if we left it on businesses, then they would boost ROE whenever they require. So it is a rule that once you classify a line item in FVOCI, you cannot reclassify it as FVTPL. So that's why we need to see as an investor that at what method my financial assets are being measured. So that's it for today. Hope you liked it and learned something valuable for it. Do drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you.